I'm sorry that this makes your skin crawl. I just had to share. So I took down the crochet hairstyle and I noticed that my edges looked more ripped than usual. I had this lifted hair in my edges and I just realized that I had lost a lot of my edges. Like, I just wanted to show you guys how bad it had gotten. I mean, I don't have the fullest edges, but the little one I was managing, I was going to lose a lot of them. Like, let me pause or zoom in so you guys can see. You see that lifted hair? That's my edges that had pulled off. So this is literally me showing you how it was coming off, even though I took down my hair as gently as I possibly could. And this is how it came out at the end. You can see that's like my edges from the root, an entire length of hair coming off, and it came out on all the individual braids. There's about 12 of them, and that's why I have knots of hair on the floor right now. Like, this was devastating, really. I've never lost this kind of hair ever since I started taking care of my hair myself. I usually lose a handful. This is all the hair I was supposed to lose normally. This one on my hand, the small one, but you see the other side, the edges. So this is how the hair looked when I just did my cornrows to do my crochet hairstyle. All was well, but because I thought that the crochet was lightweight and it's, I didn't want it to be scanty, I brought it forward. But this was my mistake right here. I was supposed to give it some space. That was a tension hairstyle right there, and I was supposed to give some space from my edges, but I didn't. So if you're watching this and you're yet to try any crochet hairstyle before, or you're afraid to lose your hair, please don't just avoid the high tension styles where you're doing normal braids. Also avoid tensioning your edges with crochet braids so that you don't lose this much hair. Like, this is ridiculous. I'm going to have to take extra care of my edges and mind my hairstyles moving forward. If you have any tips for reducing hair loss, you can drop in the comments to help other people as well. Like, if you see this my former crochet hairstyle, these were chunky twists and I gave a lot of space in front. I just forgot that. So yeah, you can check out any of my previous videos and hopefully learn from my mistake, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to comment, subscribe, and like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.